Alright, we're going to unbox this T-Mobile hotspot. So this hotspot is actually not your typical hotspot. This one is it's Project 10 million. So if you're ever thinking about getting the device, you're gonna get not the latest device, and you're gonna get the LTE. So the latest is the T10, and I'm sure that I've seen people had the T9 before, so be aware of that. And also, this one, it came in your regular T-Mobile package. It's not like any difference, so they're just gonna activate it on the ICC-ID and the IMEI number. So because I'm gonna have to rip this open. See, it's sealed. See, so once it's ripped open, I can't, return it. It's frayed anyway. So this hotspot actually, it's a little bit different than the T9, and it's about the same thickness as the T9. So do keep in mind. And this is a glossy top. So if you really care about this glossiness, definitely won't last very long. You got a power button, and you got a USB button probably somewhere. Yep, this is a type C, so it's to upgrade from the T9. So you have a, let's see what this button does, if my camera focus. Oh man, that's terrible. Alright, let's do this that hard way. Alright, so you got power, and you got the WPS button. This is actually pretty useful for many of the things. I know a lot of people don't use the WPS button anymore, but it's still good to have. A lot of brother printer use the WPS pair. So, and we got a red looking, but it's actually T-Mobile color, magenta quick start guide. So important card information, your Wi-Fi name and the password. One, and here's the USB cable, and they still come with charger. Great. So yeah, this charger looks like in a wrap. Yep, it is right here. So peel that off. I believe this is your typical 5-volt 1.5 amp charger. Okay, power supply 0.5 amp, 5-volt 2 amp actually output. Input it's from the wall, of course. So yeah, not bad. You still get USB A to C. So yeah, of course this is not really to look at. It's just a typical USB, your USB cable, and yeah, that's about it. Once you rip it, just another cable sit in the pile and take some configuration. So we will do that. Let me take that out, and there you go. Yep, pretty decent sized cable quality. So we're gonna try to see if I can open it. Over here is your reset button for factory resetting it once you set it up, and if you have it screwed up issue. So that's pretty much it. It don't really matter if I show you the Wi-Fi name and all that stuff. So yeah, see, it's already got dirty. You got the signal, and then Wi-Fi, text message, batteries, and did it. That's it. Piece of cake. let me take, yeah, I'm not gonna take it apart because it will show IMEI number.